In this video, I'll show you how to enable direct messages on your Instagram account in just a few simple steps. This feature allows you to communicate directly and privately with other users on the platform. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start messaging your friends and followers directly. First of all, let's open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And it will show you a couple of options. Simply tap on Settings. When you are on the Settings page, tap on Privacy. So now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Messages. And now you have to tweak a couple of settings. So tap on where it says your followers on Instagram, and if you have this set to Don't Receive Requests, change it to Message Requests. Once you do that, go back and scroll down a little bit and tap on where it says Others on Instagram. And also, if you have this set to Don't Receive Requests, change it to Message Requests. So once you change those two settings, it will enable direct messages on your Instagram account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.